Welcome to SomeGuy's Garage. Here are my top 11 tips for making a more enjoyable workshop. Number 1. Safety first. Wear gloves, breathing, eye, and ear protection when needed. And don't forget a fire extinguisher. 2. Wear the right clothes. Don't wear flip-flops. Wear proper footwear and clothing for the job you're doing. 3. Use the right tool for the job. Pliers and wrenches are not hammers. Screwdrivers are not pry bars. Using the right tool makes everything go smoother. 4. Stay organized. Everything should have a spot so it's easy to find what you're looking for and you're not digging for tools all the time. 5. Stay hydrated. Make sure you drink enough, though save the beer for when the job is done. 6. Don't go it alone. Let someone know you're in the garage working and ask for help when you need it. 7. Lights. There's no such thing as too much light. Add shop lights, have work lights, have flashlights. 8. Get comfortable. Work at the right height. Have something to sit on. Make the environment as comfortable as you can. 9. Clean up. Put things away when you're done. Sweep up. Leave the workspace clean for the next day. 10. Be in the right mood. If you can, work when you're in a good mood. Don't force it if you're having a bad day. Listen to music or something you like. 11. Plan ahead. Start projects with a good idea of what you're going to do and in what order. Those are my top 11 tips for making your time in the workshop more enjoyable. If you have any other ideas, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.